Hi, this is Samir Pradhan from Controltrends India, and guess what? I'm still roaming in the lovely AHR Expo at Orlando. I'm actually looking at product lines for the HVAC control products, which for the Indian market, which is ever expanding, and I know for sure our customers are looking for better, smarter, and cost-effective control products. So with me is Louis Melgares, the Vice President of Neptronics. Welcome, Louis.
Thank you very much.
Louis, Neptronics is relatively new to the Indian customer. I mean, we have the other established companies who have been have a longer lineage in India. Mm-hmm. So we would like to hear your story, your product lines. So,
well, first of all, I have to say that we're a Canadian company based out of Montreal, Canada. Mm-hmm. We've been around for 40 years, so this year is very special for us. Founded in '76, 2016, we're celebrating our 40th anniversary. Very proud of that. So the company's been around for quite some time, and we specialize in three very distinct categories, one of them being the humidifiers, the electric duct heaters, and obviously the one why we're talking today, the control ones, the HVAC controls.
Okay, Louis, for the Indian market, what we see is the damper actuators and the VAV controllers. I mean, you have some excellent VAV controllers that I see.
That is correct. I mean, like you just mentioned, we've been manufacturing actuators for the past almost 25 years, over 25 years. So we know about actuation. We know how to move a damper. Yeah. And this is what brought us to the very natural second position, which is being able to manufacture VAV controls, which is also something that we do.
Sure. What all product certifications do your products carry?
Well, depending on the different products that you're looking into, we have CSA, we have UL, we have ETL, we have BTL, also certified products for the BACnet industry, of course, BACnet family, should I say.
Awesome. So, and most certifications are in place. So, you know, our Indian, because India do have their own requirements, which is typically the international requirements. So, I mean, I'm happy with that. Most product certifications are in place. Mm-hmm. So, can we have a look at your product lines?
Definitely. These are some of the products that we actually have and that we are actually showing at the show. Neptronics has specialized themselves obviously in actuators that we're going to talk about, but also in a lot of the peripherals. So if ever you're looking for standalone static pressure controllers, interfaces, duct sensors, or specifically in this case actuators, well, I mean, we've been manufacturing these for well over 25 years. Wow. Maybe a piece of information that could be interesting, we're actually the original company that patented the capacitor as a way to fail-safe the actuators. Well, now obviously the patent is over, and that's why you will see a lot of these, a lot of this technology being used by a lot of our competitors. Sure. But keep in mind, Neptronics was the first one who actually invented the supercap.
That's super news.
And at the same time, talking about things that we've done, we are the original company who actually thought of the idea of putting a damper actuator on a ball valve.
Okay.
So this too, but this is something that we missed. We should have put in a patent on this one. This one we totally forgot. So as you can see, there's always been innovation as far as Neptronics.
I think I have all. Yeah.
And talking about something also that's very important to mention, based on the experience that we have and what our American partners are telling us, our prices on the actuators are extremely competitive. So that's also something very important I would like to point out, especially for the Indian market, correct?
Excellent, because I mean, I was always told by a lot of my American friends, you know, that Neptronics has the best quality, but in case of price, it says, hey, price too. So happy.
So very quickly to just talking about this zone valve also that we're very proud of. It's an extremely nice and very versatile valve. As you can see, not only can you remove the actuator in order to service it, but at the same time you can override the valve, which is also a nice little feature that you can have. Sure. And if ever, you know what they say? 3 things for sure in life. 1, we will die. 2, we will pay taxes. And number 3, a valve is going to leak. So in order to make sure that this doesn't happen, what we've done is that we actually have what we call a replaceable cartridge directly on the valve.
Wow.
So if ever the valve leaks, chances are they're going to leak through the cartridge. So you just need to remove the cartridge and change it without having to change anything on the mechanical side.
I think a lot of people, the maintenance engineers in India, are going to be extremely happy looking at this feature.
So again, keep in mind, 3 things, right?
Yep, of course.
We will die, we pay taxes, and it's going to leak.
Okay, Louis, you have some excellent products on the damper actuators and the VAV controllers, because these are 2 product lines which we see in the Indian market. You know, the need for that is growing every single day and exponentially. Okay, so can you please take us to the damper actuators and the VAV controllers?
Sure, I will. So very quickly, what I'd like to do is talk about our VAV controller. What's really interesting about this VAV controller is the fact that you have 2 protocols embedded in one controller, which means that you have Modbus and you also have a BACnet, which, by the way, we are BACnet BTL certified. So this, for any standard VAV box, either it's a fan power box or even dual duct boxes, you can actually work with the Neptronic VAV controllers. What's nice about them, again, is that you don't need to program them. They're all configurable, which means that you only need to select the control points that you require, and the whole algorithm on how to control it based on temperature will be done directly by our VAV controller. And also, if what you're looking for are actuators, well, we have the whole spectrum of actuators, going from very small torque all the way up to very large torques. Again, at 24 volts or higher voltage, 0 to 10 volts, on, off, or floating, all the solutions are available through a Neptronic actuator.
Yeah, I'm happy to also show you a new product line from Neptronic, which is presently on the US market, but you know, it's just the time, just about time that we would get it in India. Louis, we would like to have to know a little bit on your product here.
So I'm very happy to introduce our new multi-application controller that we call a TUCB, which is basically a universal controller that will serve for package rooftop, heat pumps, fan coils, and for heating and cooling equipment.
Your gorgeous thermostat that I see here, and the most important thing is, though being an American product, I see it in degrees Celsius. The temperature readings are in degrees Celsius. So I'm excited, and I'm sure viewers in India would be too. And I'm extremely happy and privileged to be with the man and the legend of Neptronic.
Thank you very much, Samir. Thank you very much. Thank you for the time of interviewing me for the all our friend in India. I'm the CFO of Neptronic, been the CFO for the last 20 years. Very proud to be a partner at Neptronic, a company that is fully dedicated for developing product in the HVAC market. We have on this part of the world 2 active salesmen, one located in Dubai, another one in Singapore, visiting India constantly, supporting and educating the community on our product and how to design and to build better the building of tomorrow. This is our big mission, and what we'd like to say to the people in India is that Neptronic is a Canadian manufacturer where all the product that we provide is totally manufactured by us in Montreal, Canada. So whether it's the software from the electronic components to all the mechanical infrastructure of a product, it's all made by us, developed by us, and we're very proud of our product.
Sure. The important thing, or the operative part as far as the Indian customer is concerned, I have always seen HVAC control products being labeled by people, you know, they don't, and it's all contract manufacturing. Yeah. That happens. Whereas with Neptronic, that what I see is, you know, you manufacture everything on your own. There's nothing that is.
That's correct. There's 40 years of history in our knowledge on how to manufacture. Our base of design to manufacture is really, we listen to our customer. We listen to the contractor that are in the building every day. You know, we're very good in our factory. Our customer, they're very good in the buildings, and they tell us their needs, how to make it more efficient for them, and that's basically the way we're doing it.
Good news for India is we have a manufacturer coming to India with a great quality and a price point which would be very, very good.
Thank you very much, Amir.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
My pleasure. I'm excited. The kind of product range is any control systems guy would be excited about. Now, Louis, where do you find, how do the Indian viewers come and see your products?
Well, I think the easiest way to do, actually to get a hold of our products is to go directly on the website at www.neptronic.com, where they have access to all of our products. And also, I'd like to invite them as the ACREX show is coming soon, right?
That's right, in next month.
Next month in India?
Yes.
Well, if you want to see some of the products, well, we're going to have some of the products being exposed with your company,
CICT Automation Technology.
That is correct, all right? So we're going to be, he's going to be supporting some of the products, so you'll be able to see it.
Awesome. Thank you very much, and good luck to you and Neptronic.
Thank you so much.